Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Friday the 24th of March. As you can probably hear, it's a windy afternoon on Blackpool Prom and I am here on a promenade outside the St Chad's Hotel because it is getting near the end of March, so in the next week or two they should be starting on the demolition. Just looking at the hotel from the outside, from where I'm stood, it does look reasonably empty from the inside. Although I can't tell for sure. But let's take a look. As usual, we're going to walk all the way round, and even if there's nothing new to show you guys, you will be getting to see how the hotel looks today. Let me just get off the tram tracks. That's nice, there we go. So here we go, we're going to walk around the whole thing and then we'll get to see everything. I do have my back to the wind. If I turn the camera that way, you can see that the wind is blowing into it. You can see the entrance sign, welcome to St Chad's. That won't be there much longer. That's the side of the hotel close up from where we stood, and it does look quite empty. Walk around here, you can peep inside as you walk around. I don't think you'll be able to see inside. I think you'll just be getting reflections. But anyway, let's walk around the back now. To the side from there, here's some massive big skips. It should be mostly empty. I mean, they could be starting demolition on Monday morning. Because it would be the end of March, close to April then. I'm thinking demolition will start at the beginning of the week. But you know, we don't know when it's going to start. I will keep an eye on things all the time. So from the back, there really isn't a lot to see, is there? It's a huge hotel, isn't it? I wonder how many bedrooms it had or has. I'm not sure I'd like to stay in a room with a view of this alley. If I stayed in a hotel on the seafront, I'd definitely want a sea view. Here's a bit where I filmed last week where it looked like demolition was starting, and as you can see, that pile of wood has gotten a lot bigger since I was last here. So there's a lot of internal fixtures and fittings and things, skirting boards and just supports, I don't know what, that have all been chucked out there, because when we were here last there was a couple of dudes chucking stuff out the windows. So there we can see the window totally gone. Let's zoom in. Nothing much to see there. Let's go out again. It's quite windy. It's kind of hard to keep the camera still. Very windy. And that's that side. So yeah, I'm going to go with guessing everything is pretty darn empty now. Look on the back. It looks from here super empty. I can't imagine there'll be a lot of furniture and stuff still in there. Let's just have a look at this last side. It really is windy down the prom. Or should I say it's breezy? That sounds better than windy. windy. It is actually more breezy than windy. But I'm sure you can hear that as we walk past the last side. Road right now, just about to head back onto the prom. And there you have it. That is the complete walk around the St Chad's Hotel before the actual demolition starts for real, which should be soon, definitely in the next week or two. If it doesn't start this Monday, it will probably start next Monday. But for now, I'm just going to finish this video off by having a nice little walk down this prom, just so the video is a certain length. Somebody did mention in the comments of my previous video that the Lindeen was going to be demolished and redone after the St Chad's. So that's interesting. Now the road I'm passing now is Woodfield Road. Woodfield Road, interestingly, leads almost directly onto Bloomfield Road. It comes out on Lytham Road, but Bloomfield Road is more or less opposite. So if you ever come in to the football ground and you want to stay in a hotel for the weekend, book one of those nice little places on Woodfield Road, because there's a ton of nice little hotels around there. There goes a tram. There we can see the Lindeen as we walk past. This side of the road is so quiet looking, look, compared with the other side. There's a lot of people going north, but not as many people coming south. It doesn't feel really windy because the wind's blowing into my back, so I can barely feel it. The ideal weather if you're cycling north. Wellington Road there, that's also fairly close to the football ground, just kind of round the corner. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that update. Even though there wasn't a lot to see, I think it's still good that you guys are being updated. Anyway, if you liked it, please hit the like button, and I will see you all soon in the next video. Goodbye.